Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set an alarm on your Android device that only uses vibration, allowing you to wake up discreetly without disturbing others. Let's get started. First, open the clock app on your Android device. Go to the Alarm tab, usually located at the bottom left of the screen. Now either create a new alarm by tapping the plus icon or select an existing one to modify. Set the desired time for the alarm, and if needed, choose the days you want it to repeat. You can also give it a name for easy identification. Next, tap on Alarm Sound. This might appear as a bell icon on some devices. Select Silent as the alarm tone. This ensures that no sound will play when the alarm goes off. Then, make sure that vibration is turned on. This will make your phone vibrate instead of making noise. Finally, save the settings and check that the alarm is active. And that's it. Now you know how to set a vibration-only alarm on your Android device.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.